Yeah, Van trimming the moringa tree.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
there's a...
You know, it's good to keep it off the house so the termites and everything don't go inside and eat the rest of the wood.
That's right. That's right. And they need more sun in the house. Because this is moringa tree is huge. Dean put it like little one and a couple years ago, and now it's become like a monster. I know it's every time I come here, Dean told me I need to eat this so I can eat. Van, you give this to the chicken. You don't throw away this. Remember this. Chicken need to eat this moringa trees. It's a lot of vitamins there. So we see this papaya was broken like 6 months ago. It's little one is growing right now again. So everything needs to be trimmed. Because if not trimmed from the new fruits, everything breaking up. This is our New Year resolution, trim the garden. This way we can keep the trees with the Dean planting alive for many years. Did you see this is the new mango Dean put it in right there? New mango?
Yeah, right at the house.
Yeah, we need to put it in different place. Because maybe we even put in different house. Because it's a big huge tree. Look like this. Look.
Yeah.
Like this, you can imagine. It's be inside in the house. Maybe get a mango windows. And this is the elephant flowers. It's elephant flowers. They have a new leaf coming in right now. Now it's already January 7. It's 9 months like happened to the Dean. Looks good, Van. Good job. So it's a productive equity services. Van is do the landscaping, he is do power washing, trimming trees, landscaping, and all different type of stuff in Florida. Guys, if you need somebody to take care of your property by the time you're away, let us know. 561-388-1015. Valentina and Van, Productive Equity Services.